Here I have MEIZU MX5 and let me show you how to insert here the Nano SIM cards. At the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key right here. Keep holding power key. Let's choose power off and wait until your phone will be completely switched off. Afterwards, you need to use the special tool or some thumber tag just to open the tray. Let me do it. So let's use the tray located at the left edge of the device right here. And let's use this tool to open this tray. So you have to push it to the end. Let me show you. Excellent. And now we can remove the whole thing. So let me do it. And here you can insert two SIM cards, two Nano SIM cards. So let me do it. Let's insert two SIM cards. This is my first SIM card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put it right here. Let's use the second SIM card with the characteristic edge right here, and let's also put it right here. Let me fix my first SIM card, and that's it. This is the properly prepared tray. Now let's put the whole thing into your device. Let's press it to the end, and now you can switch on the MEIZU to make sure that both cards works properly. As you can see, the device is turning on. Let's wait a few seconds. Alright, if you have a pin on one of the SIM cards, you have to enter the pin. Let's tap OK. That's right. So now you can use your device, and let me check if my SIM card works properly. So let's choose the SIM option right here, and as you can see, the device is reading our two SIM card, so it means that everything went well, both cards are inserted properly. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.